Okay, so remember, since this heavy cord is suspending the bars, we can make it pretty tight. So what we do is we take this end. You'll notice there's two holes there that are available for this particular part of the deal, and let's go through there like that. Pull her pretty tight. It doesn't have to be super tight. Don't worry if it's a little bit loose. It's not the end of the world. And hold it there, and then you can thread it back out the bottom side and pull that tight, and it'll actually hold itself pretty well at that point. Now you can do a series of loops on the cord and just pull it down. And what I like to do if I'm doing a series of loops is I'll come in one side the first time, then when I come back I'll go the other side, loop, pull down, and then loop it on the original side. So then I'm on the left side now, and just do a few of those. You don't have to overdo it. If you got a little loose, that's fine. So that's ready to go now. That's your bottom cord ready to suspend the bars.